Good Monday morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Del Weather Guy, with your Monday Mania weather map discussion and weather update. We're going to go into the low 60s today for the general area. 62 in Wilmington, 58 in Dover, and 51 in Bethany, with areas with temperatures in the area being similar. Along the beach is going to be a little cooler as there's going to be an onshore airflow. Um, 63 looks like to be the highest that it's going to try to get to here in Reading. So let's see if Reading gets to that mark. Over the next few days, we're going to see a lot of rain, and for the foreseeable March future into the at least the middle of the month, we have this coastal system coming in from our south um, tomorrow into Wednesday, then a bigger rainmaker on Wednesday. And then we have another system that on Saturday, which has been progged to be a colder solution, but don't think for a second that it's going to be anything significant with that frozen stuff we call snow. But there is colder air behind it, so it will feel a little bit more like winter is still hanging around, and then that pretty much stays around for all of the middle of not next week, but the next week after that. So then we have a bigger system coming in here in the middle of March, and this looks just like a messy throw together, overrunning, whatever you want to call it, coastal system that runs inland and is mostly a cold rainmaker for the area. And that is pretty much the picture through mid-March. This is a satellite depiction of air mass, and you can kind of see the demarcation between the cooler air and the warmer air mass, which is all this area in green that's north of this red line. And that's another reason why the beach points are going to be cooler today, because of this developing coastal system to our south, which is generating some moisture and building for later tomorrow. And if you were wondering what was happening out in California this weekend with all this Sierra snow, well, here is a location. Some of you may be familiar with the Tahoe Donner ski resort or ski area. That's out near Truckee, California. And over the weekend, they have received 14 inches, 31 inches, and 18 inches. And that pretty much gets us close to 70 inches for the weekend up there or out there. This is the snowpack in the area. So um, look at some of these amounts. There's kind of crazy. Right in this little area here, you have 203 inches, 187 inches, 139 inches. Now this is snow depth. This is not what was received over the weekend. Truckee Donner, you have 130, 50 inches, 79, 39 inches. It's crazy. The amounts just, they're kind of like, really? Dude, what's 1 or 2 inches more or less going to be? I wanted to show you something. So this is forecast for Truckee, California. Let's see, up to 70, gusts up to 60. Okay, Tuesday, mostly cloudy with chances so highs 35 to 45. Southwest winds 10 to 15 with gusts up to 35. Ridge gusts up to 85 miles per hour. So that's at the very top of the mountain. But, seriously, 85 miles per hour for a wind gust. and in the Sierra Nevadas. That is, whoa. That's like a category 2 hurricane in terms of winds. All right, folks, this is the day outlook. Mild periods of rain developing tonight through Tuesday and heavier rain for Wednesday. This is Brandon Doherty, Daily Weather Guy, saying adios. Have a great Monday.